YouTube, what's good? It's your guy Hitch. Man, a whole month went by and I didn't drop a video. And to be honest with you, it's really because February was so taxing on my wallet with all the stuff that dropped during All-Star Weekend. But I'm back, so that's good news. Over the last month, I've been really trying to find different kicks that I like that's not necessarily a basketball shoe. I've really been looking for a runner shoe that I could wear into the office. It has like a business chic look to it, but at the same time it still looks good. A few months ago, I thought I found a dope shoe, which was the pocket knife, but I didn't get the pair that I wanted, so I just scratched them off the list. Now, I did find a pair that I've been dying for these. I've been dying to get my hands on these. And then when I ordered them last week, I just been waiting for them to come in. They finally are here. Now, just to give you a little backstory on these joints, they dropped in 1990. In 1991, they were a predecessor of the Airspan 1s that dropped in 88. So I'm 32 years old. When the first joints came out, I was way too young to even know about them. And then when these dropped in 90, 91, I had my eyes set on J's and another stuff, so I wasn't focused on them. But I don't know. I was looking for a pair of kicks to find, and I found the Airspan 2s, but they were friends and family. It was a collab with Pata, and being that they were friends and family, there was no way in heck I'm gonna get my hands on them. So I looked up the shoe without the collab, and I realized that it was still a dope shoe. Essentially, all you really got with the collab was like the Nike check on the toe, and then their logo on the tongue. So here we have it, Nike Air Span 2s. Now, this is a For the Low Friday video, even though today's not Friday. Like I said, I wanted to get this video out. I didn't want to wait I didn't want to wait much longer, so that's why it's being released before Friday, but it's still a part of the For the Low Friday series because I got these joints below retail. So the the Airspan 2s, they retail for $95. But I got a notification from Oneness 287. They're a sneaker boutique. I'm not sure their location. If I find it out, I'll put it in the description where they're located. But I have bought kicks from them before, so they get their hands on some good shoes. And when I seen that they had these on sale, I had to cop. So they retail for $95. They had them on sale for like $71. And then with the coupon code that they gave me, it got them down to like $62 and some change. And then when you added in the $8 shipping, I was able to get my hands on them for $71. So these are a part of the For the Low Friday series. There's nothing special about the box, just your old school Nike orange box. Official name again, Nike Airspan 2s. The official colorway is white, Hyper Royal, Laser Orange. And again, retail $95. So I did look it up. Oneness, shout out to them. Again, I have bought shoes from them before. They're located in Kentucky. So I will leave a link to their website down below. These joints are still on sale at their website, and I believe this colorway is sold out at Nike.com. Nike actually has a sale going right now on the Airspan 2s, but again, I think this colorway is sold out. They have a few other colorways that are for sale, and then some that are at retail. So as you can see, this is your Hyper Royal and the Laser Orange. Trust me, it is like a orangey yellow. I tried to wear them with yellow clothes and it didn't match. So, but it didn't mention that it had pink. I do like the nice touch of pink on the tongue and then again on the heel. I want another pair of these. They're comfortable. As far as sizing goes, as you can see, I want to have size up, and that was by accident. When I bought them, Oneness hit me up and said that they couldn't find the 8.5, and I only had one other option, either cancel the order or go to 9. I was scared to go to 9 just because runners typically are true to size for me, or they're a half size down, but my wide foot fits in this joint perfect. So sizing, if you have a wide foot, you can go up a half size and you should be good. Now, as far as materials go, you have your textile material on the toe. Textile pretty much all over throughout the shoe. Very 90s. And then you have, this feels like suede. I don't know. I'm not sure. And then you have synthetic leather on the white parts here. And it wraps around to the medial side. So I call these dad shoes, man. Like, I feel like first we had that whole dad hat wave, and now you got a lot of, you know, the Monarchs, the Nike Air Monarchs, and all of them trash-ass Yeezys that are being put out there calling them dad shoes because they have that super huge midsole. And this is where it started from, man. Your late 80s, early 90s shoe had that thick midsole. I'm a fan. Inside the foam, you have a Max Air cushioning in the heel, so they are pretty comfortable. I'm happy with them. And the design is very simplistic. It's the same way it looks on the lateral side, the same way it looks on the medial side. The only difference is you have your Airspan font going across the back of your heel. On your outsole, again, very 90s-ish. You have black, the Hyper Royal, that orange, and then the white. And then as far as your insole goes, you have, it's all white, which I'm not a big fan of because it's going to be easy to get dirty. And then it says Nike Airspan 2 on there. But what do y'all think? Are y'all going and buying thick midsole kicks? Are you a fan of these? I'm digging them. Again, I need another pair. It has a Nike logo right here on the midsole as well. But very simplistic shoe, comfortable. I'm just afraid of how easily dirty these are going to get in the summer, especially with this midsole. It's foam, so once it's stained, it's going to be a female dog to get clean. But I'm not mad. I'm very happy with them. Don't be surprised if I'm doing another unboxing of another colorway soon. But leave your comments below. Again, if you're looking for a summer shoe, I don't know how you can really beat it. I paid $70 for them. They're on sale right now at Oneness still, and you can get them at Nike for, I believe, $85. So comment, like, below, subscribe. Y'all know the routine.
So chiller, chase, smoke, skiller, whipping bars, mix it, master, now you got it, go killer. So chiller, chase, smoke, skiller, whipping bars, mix it, master, now you got it, go killer. It's more than one way to be selling dope. It's more than one way to be selling dope. Audio crack, I got it for the low. On tracks, I'm flipping out here, pitching quote. It's more than one way to be selling dope. It's more than one way to be selling dope. Audio crack, I got it for the low. On tracks, I'm flipping out here, pitching quote. Loyalty and wisdom, all my pages made the honor roll. Looked up to dealers, shining diamonds with designer clothes. Pour shots of liquor for my dogs behind the candle door. Got the trapping cause they doggos had no benefit. Out here they grinding, serving, pitching, trying to make a living. I whip it, flip on instrumentals, trying to make a killing. Out here they squirting, missing persons, then pray for forgiveness. Out here we working, stomach hurting, stacking to the ceiling. Living poor but elevated, I'm your hope dealer, gorilla, so triller, chase smoke, thriller, Dutch filler. I hate lying rappers selling so willing, whipping bars, mixing master, Marley really dope, dealing. Back when I get to ripping, switching flows and that bass knocking, rapping talking them crack rap, fairy tales, Mary Poppins, stepped on and stepped on, dilute the world with that bullshit. I take a sip of my holy water, my studio is my pulpit. That gorilla, so chiller, cheese, most killer, whipping bars, mix it master, now you gotta go killer, go gorilla, so chiller, cheese, most killer, whipping bars, mix it master, now you gotta go killer. It's more than one way to be selling dope.